But he ain't no speed demon. This is a brewer here. Chopping some haulage here. You guys want to see speed demon, go to Andrew's channel there. Andrew Hourigan or something like that. I gotta watch out for the trees. Get a 966. He's just missing the wagon. Three miles. Must be it plugged up by him, I don't know. Funny, he don't even see me. I gotta mow the yard. I don't know what happened. Yeah, she must have plugged up on him. Yeah, like I said, you want to see some cool chopping, go to Andrew's channel there. He's a pretty cool dude. Tell him Dave Wells sent you. Leave him a comment. He always comments back on his videos. You leave him a comment. He comments back on it with you. He's a pretty cool dude. Got a big dairy farm up in Syracuse.